My primary advisor, Dave Nelson, works really closely with a USGS scientist, Dr. Todd Katzner. He's been doing work in Kazakhstan. He has a lot of connections there with different organizations, including Shakpak Ornithological Station, which is the biggest bird banding station in Central Asia. I spent 2 months at the bird banding station, and I worked with local scientists. I helped with the day-to-day operations of the stations, but then also collecting feather samples for my own work. Currently, with the summer interns that are at the lab, we are working on analyzing feather samples that I collected. We are trying to understand the migratory movements of a few species of songbirds and raptors. With feather samples, I do stable hydrogen isotope analysis. It's important because there has never been a stable isotope study done at that research station. Bird feathers are really similar to like human hair. They have keratin in them. So the way that hydrogen works in particular is it gets incorporated into diet and the water, depending on where you're located. There's like different isotopic signatures based on precipitation that gets incorporated into like food and water, and that ends up getting into a bird's feathers. For birds, especially like songbirds, they grow their feathers within a span of a few days. You can kind of pinpoint where they grew their feathers before migration. I feel really lucky to have 2 interns this summer because I brought back, I want to say, at least 1,000 feather samples. Throughout the summer, they're just cleaning feather samples, weighing them, prepping them for stable isotope analysis, and then they're going to be learning how to read the data that the machine presents them with. It's important to learn the migratory movements of bird species to be able to better understand them and then try and conserve species. If you know where they're coming from, you can try and understand what resources they use and like what habitats they're a part of. Central Asia is a really cool region, and I want more people to know about it. The culture in Kazakhstan is very rich. The scientists there are doing really important work. I'm hoping to maybe go back at least once more before I finish my degree and see if there is any opportunity to keep working with them in the future.